Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the world-famous Boston Jerk Center in Portland has been ordered closed.
The development follows what the health authorities say is the detection of several health breaches at the facility.
Now, scores of vendors and small-scale chefs are now awaiting the outcome of a meeting with Public Health Department set for this Friday to know what the future holds for their businesses.
Anthony Lugg has details.
Chicken, pork, seafood and festival, you name it, Boston Jerk had it. The internationally renowned Jerk Center in East Portland has been ordered closed amid health concerns. The revelation came at a municipal meeting on Thursday.
The environmental health team carried out a series of monitoring activities over the last year and before that to get improvement of the facility. For the most part, they were unsuccessful, Mr. Chairman. Hence, the decision was taken to advise the medical officer of health in the month of August that she should close the facilities. As a result, Mr. Chairman, the medical officer of health on September 6th closed the facility under the public health regulations.
It's important to note that it's not the first time the facility has been ordered closed. Back in 2016, the Public Health Department cited, among other things, poor sanitation and preparation of meat, which was not approved for human consumption, as the reason for the closure. Fast forward 8 years later, old issues have resurfaced.
It doesn't look good. And remember, this is the only source that the people live off here now. So you close on our bread and butter complete.
When our news team visited the location on Thursday, the Jerk Center, which is usually buzzing with activities, was noticeably quiet.
Well, it look out here because you don't say original Boston and people are coming food and can't get none. So that hurts you like that, you know. But still, we are trying to keep it up to it. That means next time that won't happen, you know.
Some people who did not wish to appear on camera commended the health department and called for the vendors to make the adjustments needed.
If there's health issues, you have to just fix them and start again, because you have to make sure you're giving the guests good thing. You don't want to hear that a person come to Boston and something happen. It's going to spoil their reputation.
I love to see them sort out themselves and get it right so we can enjoy Boston Jerk. That's what I said. That's all.
Work is also being carried out to repair a section of the Jerk Center. The vendors say it's part of the recommendations made by the health department. Back at the municipal meeting, calls for the health department to establish a monitoring committee going forward.
We have to think outside the box. We have to find a way to allow our business to succeed. And if business must succeed, we have to ensure that we follow the protocols that are laid out. So as a result of seeing, I will continue to work with you and with the people.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.